Hey guys, I'm Alan.
And I'm Drea.
And welcome to Life to the Fullest. Yeah, so welcome to our new house. Our new apartment. Our new home. But we have some exciting things that Drea was going to share.
Yeah, you're going to put it all on me, I guess.
No. But thanks guys for showing up, and remember to like and subscribe, and that really helps us out. So,
do you think we should check to make sure we're both in the shop?
I already did.
Feel pretty good about it?
Yeah.
Oh.
I guess that's going to be an edit.
So, as Alan said, we are in our own apartment now, and as you guys know, we're in a new apartment now.
Which we will be showing you later.
Yes, we will show you very soon. But we have been on a faith journey, as you know, if you've been following our story and our journey. It has now been a little over a year since we moved away from Redding, California, and we just decided to step out in faith and see where the Lord is going to lead us. And so
it's been a wild adventure.
Yes.
Ups and downs. You guys will see that.
You will see. And I think you've probably seen some, but we are now back in Texas. This is actually, if you keep up with any of the Jewish calendar, this is around the time of Rosh Hashanah and the new Jewish year. We're just really feeling like the Lord is doing something brand new. We're grateful and ready.
Right.
So we wanted to let you guys know we're going to be showing you content that is current. We actually had something awesome happen yesterday. I don't want to put out any spoilers or anything because we just want to surprise you. We went on just a little fun excursion, spontaneous. The Lord really blessed it, and we got to meet a really wonderful person who we both greatly admire, and it was an unexpected meeting. Felt like something the Lord is even using now to encourage us that He is at work and He's lining us up where we need to be at the right time with the right people, doing the right thing. We hope that when we share this exciting content that's coming up, that also encourage and inspire you. And we also wanted to let you know that we'll be bringing you into our journey and showing you content that we've been capturing over the last 6 months, 7, 8 months. Just been busy.
We just didn't have time.
As soon as we're able to get the content edited, we do want to still release that. We just know that there's so many of you who actually really just love hearing from us. We just want to let you know, you might see that there's a little bit of a mix-up between what's happening currently and then what's happened along the journey. It's all still about us living life to the fullest, no matter what.
Our journey kind of takes us all over. Like, we're going to be in North Carolina. I don't want to give it away, but it'll be fun.
It'll be worth the ride and adventure.
So thank you for sticking in with us and helping us and just being there. So we really appreciate it.
Yeah.
And we can't wait for our apartment to come together.
Yeah, it'll be nice.
Behind the camera, behind you guys, it's wild. So.
Yeah.
But it's coming together. It's nice.
Don't let this blank slate back here fool you.
Yeah.
There's a lot happening in this space right now.
Right.
Is there anything we wanted to encourage them with?
Well, I think on this journey, sometimes things don't always go how you expect them to go.
And that's right.
Right. And even you pray and seek the Lord, have the word of the Lord that you stand on in faith. Right. It doesn't mean that we give up. We still believe for the impossible, that the Lord can do anything. Drea and I had some really hard times and some really good times in this journey. It really tests your faith. If some of you are feeling that too, be encouraged. And the Bible's pretty clear. Living a Christian life isn't always going to be easy. In fact, it's going to be hard sometimes. He's so good, and He's so worth it.
No matter what, just to keep the main thing, that Jesus, He's our first love, and it's so important to not lose sight of that. And
right.
Even in this journey of the ups and downs, sometimes people will tell you things like, it's not that bad, or there's someone who's worse off than you. And I know they mean that in a way to try to encourage you, but we can speak firsthand that it's not very encouraging, actually. And the reality is, the Bible is pretty clear about us not comparing ourselves to others. So I actually felt like the Lord's been speaking to me about not comparing ourselves to others, no matter what our life looks like, no matter if we're in a mountaintop experience or if we're in a valley experience, to not even compare our valley to someone else's valley. So I'd never thought about that before until our recent journey. But I think that there's really a lot of wisdom in that. No matter what's happening in your life, Jesus is first and foremost, whether you're in a mountain experience or a valley experience. The Lord can really speak through anything. He can use anything to get us where he wants us to be. I think a big part of our journey has been the Lord working things in us and preparing us for what's next. That we're going through trials and tests, but also the people around us are also going through their own trials and tests as well. Live from that perspective and to, I think, even show grace towards those around you. And also just to remember that the Lord sees everything. And even, sometimes we miss things or people around us miss things, We're all doing our best to follow the Lord and to hear his voice clearly, but sometimes we miss it. But even in those instances, the Lord is still so kind and merciful, and he will help us get to where we need to be. I hope this encourages you guys. We'd love to hear from you if you want to share in the comments, especially over the last 6 months or last 12 months, if the Lord's been speaking something to you and this resonates. Even as this is a new calendar year in the Jewish calendar, if there's something maybe the Lord's shown you around this new season and what he's doing that would be encouraging, feel free to add that to the comments too. And we hope that this encourages you, blesses you, and inspires you to live your life to the fullest.
It's better to listen to people and just listen to listen. And as someone that's like gone through stuff and just needs somebody to hear, that can be difficult when you just want to fix them and teach them or coach them up and it's like, that's not really what I need right now. So I think that's what we've learned. It's like sometimes people just need to be heard.
Yeah.
And that's something that's really been highlighted, because it's like we have so many teachers and things not knocking them. But it's like there's a time for that. Listening comes first before teaching. If you guys, we could do a little more listening, couldn't we? I think the most impactful people that I've met on this journey or before are the ones who like really just heard my heart, listened to me and cried with me, helped me through things. It's not really the ones that taught me or like this is what you need to do and do it better, and because it doesn't seem like there's a lot of care in that. I don't know, that's just where I'm at right now. So hey, Jesus, we're open to him teaching us. He listens to us. He's awesome. But we love you guys. I know you love us.
Yeah. I guess we should do another video where we just talk about what we learned. I didn't really think about that until right now.
That's good. Thanks, guys. Yeah, we'll do another video, maybe a Q&A if you guys have questions for us or anything. We'd love to answer them. One thing, though, it has really solidified our marriage in a very strong way. Yeah. And might not have much, but we have each other.
And we have Jesus.
And we have Jesus.
That's all.
Yeah. All right, you guys. So hope you have an amazing day. God bless. And remember to live your life to the fullest.
Bye.